Hi, Dr. Glen Schaffer, St. Carlos Chiropractic. Many of my patients suffer from sometimes debilitating lower back conditions. I'm often asked, what's the very best exercise to strengthen the lower back? Well, if you could only do one exercise, I'd recommend strengthening the abdominal muscles. The abdominal muscles kind of are the front strengthening region. They're a large group of muscles, but they attach to the pelvis area and go up into the torso. So if we can stabilize and strengthen this region of the core, it'll help to stabilize the pelvis area and hence stabilize the lower back area. So today I'm going to go over 4 very simple abdominal exercises. They don't require any type of equipment whatsoever, but if you just spend a little time every day on these core exercises, it'll greatly help to stabilize your lower back and help relieve some of your lower back pain. It can be a firm mattress, preferably the floor. You might want to have maybe a little mat on the floor or something just to give you a little more comfort. But this is the starting position for all 4 of these abdominal strengthening exercises. The first one is a very common one called the crunch. Again, your knees are up. That keeps your lumbar spine nice and flat. I would do these exercises on a daily basis, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit on how many reps to do, etc. But from this position, hands are just on the side of the head. You are not grabbing the neck and pulling on the neck. That can cause some damages there. Hands on the side of the head, simply come up, hold, relax all the way back down. Come back up, hold, relax, back down. Repeat that 10 to 15 times. From this position, that's called the crunch, we do the reverse crunch. Hands are under the buttocks, and you're bringing the knees up, kind of hold, relax. Remember to breathe through all of these motions, so hold and breathe out, and hold and breathe out. Again, repeat that 10 to 15 times throughout that. From the same position, hands are free now. We do a little lateral bending where we touch the feet, kind of hold, relax, hold, go back and forth 10 to 15 times. You'll feel it out in these oblique areas, the oblique abdominal muscles. And lastly, another maneuver right from the same position where we kind of raise up, bring up and down. Remember to breathe again, up and down. Repeat this again 10 to 15 times. And lastly, that's all of the abdominal exercises, but I always like to finish it off with a little knee chest stretch, which helps to open up the space between the lumbar vertebrae. So one knee at a time, maybe grab behind the knee if you have any knee problems. Again, your head is relaxed and you're holding for a 3 or 4 count. Do the other leg, hold 3 or 4 count. Let it down, do both knees together. Again, you'll feel a little stretch in that lower back. Repeat that little maneuver 4 to 5 times. And I would do these knee chest exercises along with the abdominal exercises on a somewhat daily basis.